Hi everyone. In last video we have seen promotion stage, that is meaning of promotion stage, and promoters who all can we can call as a promoters, and there are different types of promoters, and in this class we are going to see the functions of promoters, what all work they will do as a promoters, that is functions of promoters. Functions of promoters. The first one is discovering idea. If you take any business, it is a start with an idea. That too, we call this as a business idea, profitable business idea, or the scalable business idea we can call as. The promoter's main duty or a function is to generate an idea or discovery of a new idea or nurturing existing idea or expanding a particular idea into some other heights. So the first foremost function of the promoter is to discover a particular business idea. And second thing is detailed investigation. Detailed investigation. A businessman, in his mind, he need to investigate regarding the raw material, profit, demand, process, etc. He need to analyze a particular availability of raw material, the percentage of profit and demand, the particular process involved in a particular business operations. So he need to thoroughly investigate the business idea. Then only he can choose a particular business idea. He make a decisions of starting a business. So the function of a promoter is to investigate, detailed investigation of a that the idea. Then third thing may be assembling of resources. Assembling of resources. This is very important function of a promoter. He need to assemble the resources. There are four resources or factors of production we can call as, there are four M's: men, money, material, and machine. There are four M's of factors of production. He need to assemble all these things. He need to assemble, that is recruiting a staff, expertised staff for the particular company, and he need to collect capital, raise a capital from public, or if it is a private, then he can raise a private capital. Then the resources like material, raw materials, it may be finished, it may be semi finished, or it may be accessories, he need to assemble it. And finally, if we it is into a production house, if any machinery needed to start a businesses or operate a business of activities, he can assemble the particular machinery. So here he need to assemble the resources. And fourth thing is preparing preliminary document. Preparing preliminary documents. Promoter's work is to prepare preliminary documents like memorandum of association, articles of association, and prospectus, etc. So these are documents which are needed to get incorporation certificate, that is memorandum of association, articles of association, and the prospectus of a company. He need to build all these documents. So preparation of principal documents of a company is a major function with a promoter. Then fifth one is entering into preliminary contracts. Entering into preliminary contracts. Preliminary contracts are contracts which are entered by promoters before incorporation stage. In certain cases, for certain businesses, the huge land is required, the number of machines are required, or the particular building is required. So in that case, what they will make is they will arrange for preliminary contracts which is signed by the particular promoters. So for 2 marks, they will ask, what do you mean by preliminary contracts? Preliminary contracts are contracts which are entered by promoters before incorporation of a company or before registration of a company. So they need to enter into a preliminary contracts if required by the company. Then sixth one is naming a company. Naming a company. Naming a company is with function with the promoters. They need to give certain names to a particular company which is identical in nature, which is identical or not same. It should be different and easily identified and differentiated by some other names. Then only registrar of companies will give them the approval, otherwise he will not give the approval. So the company's name should be identical in nature. Then last one is, that is seventh one is appointment of bankers, auditors, solicitors, appointment of bankers, auditors, solicitors, underwriters, etc. He need to make a arrangement of bankers for the company, auditors, solicitors, and underwriters. So these are the functions of the major functions of, there are many functions of promoters, but these are major function, that is discovering a business idea. He need to discover the idea of a business, and he need to investigate with relation to cost and benefit analysis, and he need to assemble the resources like men, money, materials, and machine, and he need to go for preliminary documents like memorandum of association, articles of association, and if it is a public company, then they may go for prospectus. Then he need to enter into a certain contracts, those we call as preliminary contracts, and he need to give certain names, select certain names for the particular company which is identical in nature. And the last one is he need to appoint certain authorities for the company which are needed to establish the next steps, that is incorporation stage, capital raising stage, and the business commencement stage. Thank you.